Stylish, reliable, and built for accessibility, this 2012 Toyota Sienna SE delivers comfort and proven mobility in one dependable package. With just 42,000 miles, this wheelchair-accessible van is in excellent condition and features a trusted BraunAbility side entry conversion. It's designed to provide lasting value and everyday convenience for families, caregivers, and individuals alike. Equipped with an automatic side entry fold-out ramp, this Sienna makes accessibility quick and effortless. Whether you're heading out for errands or a long road trip, the fold-out ramp ensures easy entry and exit for wheelchair users. On the outside, you'll notice the sleek black finish that gives the Sienna a modern, stylish edge. Inside, the gray cloth interior offers both durability and comfort, making it practical for daily use. Powered by Toyota's dependable 3.5-liter V6 engine, this van delivers smooth handling, strong performance, and the peace of mind that comes with Toyota reliability. This 2012 Toyota Sienna SE combines Toyota's reputation for reliability with BraunAbility's industry-leading accessibility. With low mileage and stylish design, it's practical, dependable choice for accessible transportation. For more details, visit automobilitystore.com or call us today at 800-431-3183. Let us help you find the wheelchair-accessible van that's right for you.